Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm so excited because for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming luxury bags. So I will be putting everything here, features, prices, everything that you need to know. As long as it's available, I'm going to put it here so you know the drill. If you find anything interesting, if you found anything that you like, kindly take a screenshot and check on the website and with your CAs for availabilities and orders. And I'm inviting you as well to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I'll be sharing runway collections from Milan Fashion Week, and we will feature my top bags from Fendi, Prada, Gucci, Ferragamo, and Bottega Veneta Spring/Summer 2024. We will only feature the bags in my opinion we should be on the lookout for. All photos are via Vogue.com. Happy shopping guys! Alright, so let us start first with Fendi Spring/Summer 2024's. The very first bag is the brand new bag of the house. It's origami bag. The tote bag inspired by origami, of course. These bags can be folded and change. The look and feel of the bag can be worn multiple ways, and it could be worn as a shoulder bag as we could see here. It comes in different sizes, in different leather materials, and we also have the bag charm. We also have the like a clochette, so we have here in exotic leather, and we have this in beautiful chalk color. Next, we have the Fendi fold bag. Guys, I'm not really sure if this is the official name. So the new design of Fendi comes in two sizes. So we have this one first, the micro size, perfect for date nights, and we have the medium to large size, the fold tote bag. We could see also the letter F is noticeable like the Fendi first bag. So once you fold it, how beautiful, as we could see, and we are noticing guys, not just Fendi, like the fold origami style or the puzzle styles are so much in trend right now. Then of course we had the classic Fendi first. So this is again the classic clutch bag of the house with its signature F-class closure. Can be worn as a clutch but comes with a detachable leather strap that you could wear this either as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody. So now on the collection we could see different leather finishes. So for this one guys, I'm not really sure if this is leather or perforated leather, but just look how beautiful the colorway is. And then of course my very favorite Fendi baguette for Spring/Summer 2024. So this is one of the classic styles of Fendi. Comes in different materials including exotic, and guys, please take note that they are bringing back the Celeria style. The Celeria style are with the contrasting stitches on the edges, and plus guys, I also love this multi-pocket baguette. They are so amazing. This launched on the Fendi baguettes 25th or 20th anniversary. Definitely, if I have all the funds, I would love to have a Fendi multi-pocket baguette in my collection. What do you think? And of course, we have the classic Fendi Peekaboo. So comes in different finishes, different leather treatments, and it also comes in exotic leather. Definitely, we could wear this as a top handle bag like this. And it comes with a detachable shoulder strap. This is perfect for the quiet luxury trend. Honestly guys, this is one of my current wish list right now. So I have only a few bags left that I am lusting and wanting to add to my collection. And definitely a Fendi Peekaboo is one of them. I love this one. Just look at the Celeria stitching. Very, very beautiful. Then let's go to Prada Spring/Summer 2024. Alright, so the very first bag, we have the Prada quote-unquote 1913 reissue bag. Again guys, this is not the official name, but the reason why I'm calling it such is because Prada revives for the very first time on original design from Prada's co-founder Mario Prada dating back to 1913, the year of Fratelli Prada's inception. So the frame class evening bag features a mythological creature, as you can see here, and it comes in nylon and leather version. So guys, kindly comment down below. I would love to hear from you. What do you think of this mythological creature at the Fendi's bag? And then we have the Prada nylon tote bag. We are going to see different styles on this design. So this is a seasonal bag from Prada. We could see very minimal logo. The triangle plaque is very difficult to see because it's same color as the nylon. It comes in different embellishments like studs, fringes, and it has the triangle Prada plaque in front of the tote. This is a seasonal style, so guys, I am just warning you, for seasonal styles of Prada, they don't go really well on the pre-love market. So if you love this, then go ahead, you could purchase, but for me, I would be passing on this style. Then this one, we have the Prada belt tote bag. I'm not mistaken, guys, is this a new design or is this a reissue style that Prada is doing? So this is a new to me design from Prada, made of nylon and leather. So we are seeing the noticeable belt design that is made of leather. It comes with two top handle design that can be carried as a tote, and we are seeing, aside from, instead of the Prada triangle plaque, we are seeing the Prada lettering in front. So we are seeing that it's made of different finishes, as you can see here, with different studs. I'm guessing that this would also comes with a shoulder strap. Then let us go to Gucci Spring Summer 2024. So now this is under their new creative director. So the very first bag style that we are going to discuss, of course, is the Gucci Jackie, one of Gucci's classic designs. It comes in different sizes, materials, embellishments. I love these crystal embellished Gucci Jackie bag. It also comes in exotic leather, and we are seeing that mostly, of course, it comes with the original design as a shoulder bag, but we could see that they have updated the design. So some have longer shoulder bags, and some would come with a chain strap that you could carry as a longer leather strap or as a crossbody bag. So what do you think of the Gucci Jackie? This is cute. Perfect that it doesn't have any logo. Like this one, as you can see, it comes with a chain. So we are also seeing that it comes in different finishes. So as you can see here, it comes in exotic. So guys, please take note, of course, if it comes in exotic leather, we could expect that the prices would be on the, upwards of 10,000 USD. So it also comes in like a patent leather finish. So this one is a combination of suede and snake skin. So another combination. So we could see here the colorway of Gucci. This is very Gucci. And these are the crystal bags that I was referring to earlier. Then let us check out Gucci's canvas bag. So here are different bags in canvas design. So we have bucket bags. We also have shoulder bag style that looks like a flap bag or a baguette style like this. So it's like an east-west style that comes with a leather strips, and it comes with a top handle. So what do you think? Honestly, guys, they are really beautiful. I could appreciate them on other people, but for me, I'm not really sure why I am not a fan of this Gucci canvas print. I'm not really sure. Guys, are you also feeling the same? If so, kindly comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Then, of course, we have the Gucci bamboo top handle bag. So this is the iconic design and would be making a comeback. It would come in different leather materials, including this one, a patent leather finish, and definitely we are seeing exotic leathers as well. Classic bamboo top handle with bamboo turnlock closure. So this one, what do you think? Again, perfect for the quiet luxury trend. So I am also guessing that this would come with a longer strap so that we could wear this one as a crossbody bag. Next, we have the Gucci new design bags. So guys, guess what? The Gucci's GG Marmont logo is coming back. So with the new design bags, there's also a new shoulder bag design. So we thought that the Marmont is finished with Gucci, but apparently with the new creative director's vision, it is coming back. Now let us check out Ferragamo Spring Summer 2024. So first we have, of course, the new design bag. So we will be seeing new bag designs from the new creative director Maximilian Davis. So this is no visible logos and very on trend with the quiet luxury. Designs are very modern in different leather and finishes. So this one, guys, this is like a saddle bag. If we are going to see it on the side, we are going to see that the flap looks like the saddle bag of Dior. So it comes in exotic leather as this one as well. So this is the menswear version. So as we are going to notice that the leather strap is not detachable. Then of course we have the shoulder bags from Ferragamo. So guys, once I have more photos of these bags, definitely I would be sharing it on our community wall. But I am missing with Ferragamo. I wish I have only seen one Wanda bag East West. So guys, this one definitely reminds me of the Givenchy bag. I just forgot the name, but please comment down below. This is definitely Givenchy. What do you think? And of course, our or everyone's favorite, let's just check out Bottega Veneta. So the very first one is the sardine bags. Bottega's latest and current it bag will still continue to grow strong. So we will see new colors, new leather treatments, and another sculptural handle design. So it could come in different colorway, it would come in different sizes. Honestly, of course, I would love the larger size compared to this one. Although I've been watching some of the reviews here, they are saying that of course that it will come a little bit heavy because this is an all leather bag, but again, it is still very beautiful. This one, the return of the Bottega Veneta Jody bag. So they are coming back in style in varying sizes, leather finishes. So we thought that Jody bags are so yesterday, but we are going to fall back in love with them. I love this style specifically as we are going to see the design of the weaves are very different, as also with this one different leather treatment, and OMG the size, it's so gorgeous. Then we have the new design bags by Bottega Veneta, again under the new creative director Matthew Blazy. So we have bucket bags like this, different intricato weave, so it's like a more raw weaving, and we are going to see in snake skin as well. I'm not really a fan of that snake skin. Then we have tote bags, perfect for summer, so it's very open. So I'm not really sure if this is leather, but maybe this is raffia, and it's perfect for, you know, it's just an open tote bag, perfect for that summer getaway. Then we have the Bottega Veneta new pouch bag. So they are coming up with a new pouch design. So these first two designs, it does remind me of the Fendi first. As you can see on top, it looks like an F class. So again, once I have more photos, I will be sharing it to you. But what I love more would be this new pouch bag. As you can see, the unevenness of the intricato weave. This is so beautiful. It's like a cloud pouch bag. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? Did you find anything that you love for today's episode? Kindly comment down below which ones are you adding to your wish list. And if you have stayed at this part of the episode, kindly leave me a heart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. It's at Ramir52 for daily updates and silent tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!